Hello guys on YouTube, how are you guys today? Well, today's title of this blog going to be my HP computer laptop is running very slow and it's driving me absolutely bonkers because I bought this computer 3 years ago, brand new with Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit operating system on it, and it has a 500 GB hard drive and 4 gigs of RAM, and that's all what's in this computer. That's all it's stock in this computer, and also it has Wi-Fi, Intel i3 core processor. But I mean, this computer is still a good computer, but it's absolutely driving me insane. I have to wait for the whole entire computer to be loaded and booted up before I can frickin' use it. This is the same thing what happened when I had the Dell laptop computer, when I had to wait and stuff like that for it to finish processing all of the stuff in the background of the computer. Now, the reason why I bought this computer was to do editing on it, and and do videos, and do stuff with a computer like it's supposed to be do with what you're supposed to do with. Oh, like you're gonna buy a computer that's going to surf the internet or surf the web or answer emails and stuff. No, that's not what I bought this computer for. I bought this computer to do YouTube vlogs. But the problem is the i-Core 3 processor apparently is not powerful enough for what I need it for, and the 4 gigs of RAM is also not powerful enough for the videos I do. I don't know how to make my computer run faster. The only way I can do that is by upgrading the damn computer itself by putting 8 gigs of RAM in a solid state SSD. This has a mechanical hard drive and it drives me absolutely nuts because I sit there, I have to wait and do this and let it do what it needs to do. It's like it drives me absolutely bonkers. How can I make this thing run faster? Put SSD in it, or put 8 gigs of RAM in it. That might make this machine run faster. And no, I do not want to reinstall Windows on this computer. I want to leave the way my computer was made. It drives me insane of how technology can change over the 3 years you had it when you bought it. Yes, I'm running an older Windows operating system, but it still seems to work. Now, what do I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on and stuff, but it's a good computer. I really like it. I really don't want to have to go to a different computer. It has Windows 8 on it. No, I like this one. Let's go ahead and just go click this one. And I can show you, I installed a program in my computer. It's called CCleaner. I'm gonna sit and try to turn the brightness down, but it's just so dang slow, and it's driving me insane. The way to get this computer back up and running is delete most of the junk files. Now, I don't know where all the junk files are hiding. I don't know where they're hidden on my hard drive. That's why I downloaded a certain program. It's called CCleaner. CCleaner is a tool you can actually clean your computer out. And let's go ahead and type in a DOE here and make sure we can get this computer loaded up. And I'm going to have to wait for this computer to actually load. And it says, welcome to Windows. You see, it takes a week and a day to get into the desktop of my computer. It's like, holy hell, I don't know what else to frickin' do. I mean, this computer is a nice computer. I'm just so frustrated on how slow my computer really is. But I don't have control on what I can do with my computer. The only way I can set this computer to automatically clean itself is by turning the computer on. And by downloading a certain piece of program to actually do that is a little bit more of a safer way for me, because I don't want to accidentally delete a piece of software or my whole entire operating system on my computer. I don't want to do that. That's why I have to let the computer run through its course and let it load and stuff like that. The problem is the cleaner, what the CCleaner does, it cleans out most of all the junk files for you. You don't have to do anything else. All you do is you download the program, you let the CCleaner load, and you let it run the whole tile computer. Now, it might take 2 hours, might take 1 hour to clean the whole tile hard drive in this computer, but that's what you can actually do. This is a program. It's like here is, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's a CCleaner. It's a pretty good program, and it's a good tool to actually have for your computer itself. But I mean, I just don't know. It's not much more I can do with this dang computer. It's just running so slow lately, okay? Now, I don't understand how I can get rid of certain files without getting rid of certain things I don't need. Okay, I have a lot of files in my computer I do need to use. Like, I have my printing applications, I have my music application like my iTunes, I have Media Go, I have a couple of different things in this computer I need to have for most of my stuff to work. Now, I may have to take this back down to the computer shop and get cleaned again. But this is absolutely insane. It's just, I don't know what's going on with my computer. I don't know why this computer is running like it is running at. Why is it running so dang slow all of a sudden? And I can show you some of the stuff I have in my computer. Now, of course, this computer probably hasn't had everything loaded in the background, because the computer has stuff it needs to load in the background. I can turn some of that stuff off, but what's the point of turning it off? Okay, when you click on it, it turns itself back on again. See, that to me doesn't really make sense. And I can show you my hard drive. Hey, Chris, the hard drive is being a pain in the butt. The software is being a pain. I can show you what my percentage is. See, I only used 101 gigabytes on my computer. Cause see, here's all my free space. This is all what I have used. This is my free space. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it's acting the way it's acting. Guys, I just don't understand why this computer needs to take this long to able to load when it's not a whole lot of stuff in it. I have my music files, I have my picture files, I have my video files on here. You know, I have all sorts of different things I have in this computer. Now, sometimes the applications will take longer to pop up and load like they're supposed to. sometimes each file will take the longest to load because it's everything runs in the background of the computer. Now, the way I can probably boost my computer is by probably putting 8 gigs of RAM in this dang thing because it's like, it's so annoying. I just want to toss the computer out the window some days. It's just useless to even have a computer. Okay? To me, it's just useless. Why even bother to have a computer if you can't get the computer the way it was supposed to be done, or crashed again. And the way the computer is supposed to be made. I just don't get it. Now I gotta look for the cleaner here. I'm gonna try to run the cleaner for this, but I don't know what's that. Oh my god. Computer keeps crashing. Everything's unavailable. Oh, shnikes, really? See, this is what I mean. This computer, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's like it's still loading stuff in the background, apparently. Sometimes I have to shut the computer off to be able to restart the initialization of a program I have on it. And look what's going to happen. It's probably going to close everything, and normally it would close all this stuff, it would collapse all this stuff, and it's like, god dang it, it's like, I don't know, I just don't get it anymore with my computer. I don't know if my hard drive's going bad or what, I just don't have no idea. I'm trying to do something, and it's not doing what I want it to do. See what I mean? I keep closing the program and it just doesn't want to respond. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I downloaded this program for a couple reasons, so I can clean out my computer. And the computer is, again, doing what it wants to do and not allowing me to do what I need to do with it. Okay, it's like, really? Is this computer that dumb? Well, remember, I'm not the one that, I'm not the one that designed it. I'm not the one that made it. I'm only the user. I can only use it. That's all I can do with it. This is a nice program to have, somewhat in your computer to actual run in the background as well. You can do that. You can set this up to run and clean your computer's hard drive, and also clean the history out of your computer, clean the hard drive, all that kind of fun stuff. And it's all listed right here. It's like, it's kind of cool. It's very interesting. Now, it's all programs you can also install. I don't know what all programs I can get for it, but I mean, this is just ridiculous, guys. I mean, it takes a week and a day for this computer to actually respond to itself or try to fix itself. But this is kind of what my computer does, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. It's just ridiculous. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and let my computer do a clean here, and we're just going to let it clean out the entire hard drive and everything else in it. And it's just like, it's freaking annoying, because this damn thing will run so freaking slow for it to do what you want it to do. Alright guys, if you are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, please like, please share, Peace out. Bye, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. I hope to God I may get this computer working again. I just don't know.